Ever thought about the perfect formula for a kitchen that's not just aesthetically pleasing, but also functional and efficient? It's all about planning and design, and today we're diving into the world of modular kitchens. First things first, planning for optimal functionality is paramount. Think about your daily kitchen routine. Where should the pots and pans be? What about the cutlery? Positioning is key here. Aim to have everything within easy reach and strategically place your appliances and cabinets to create a smooth workflow. Moving on to step 2, it's time to think about how to maximize your storage. Space-saving solutions are a must in a modular kitchen. Have you ever thought about pull-out shelves, corner cabinets, or hanging racks? These elements not only save space but also keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The third step is all about choosing the right materials. Remember, a kitchen sees a lot of action, so durability is key. Look for high-quality finishes for your cabinets, robust countertops, and sturdy hardware. These materials need to stand up to daily use and be easy to maintain. Then comes the fun part, step 4. Here's where you get to let your personal style shine. Decorative backsplashes, unique lighting fixtures, and stylish hardware can all add that personal touch to your modular kitchen. Next, in step 5, think about your appliances. Energy-efficient and space-saving appliances are the way to go. They not only make your kitchen more functional, but also more convenient. Step 6 is all about lighting. A well-lit kitchen is a happy kitchen. Consider task lighting for work areas, ambient lighting for general illumination, and accent lighting to highlight certain elements. And finally, step 7. Consider hiring a professional. An interior designer or kitchen planner can help you make the most of your space, ensuring your design is both functional and visually appealing. To recap, start with planning for functionality, followed by maximizing storage. Choose durable materials, then add your personal style. Opt for efficient appliances. Pay attention to lighting and consider getting professional help. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to designing a modular kitchen that's not just beautiful, but also a joy to cook in.